Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do this fun geometric nail design that Joey King wore to the Golden Globes the other week. These were done by another nail artist who I'm going to have linked in the description down below, but I really love this look and I wanted to recreate it. So I'm starting off with a base coat on all of my nails. Then I'm doing a pinky nude cream polish as my base. This is Butter London Royal Blush. And I ended up doing 3 coats of this on all of my nails just to make sure it was opaque. Once that's dry, I'm taking a thin brush and black acrylic paint and I'm painting a thin black line down the center of all of my nails. Then I'm taking a white nail polish and adding some other lines with the same detail brush. You can kind of be creative here and mix and match and really make it your own. I decided to follow the nail artist's original design pretty closely. The easiest way to keep the line steady is to move your nail underneath the brush and just take it really slow. You want to make sure that the nail polish isn't too thick and that you're being patient. It's also easy to use acrylic paint when doing fine lines like this because you can take a toothpick and kind of scratch it away to clean up any lines. For one of the patterns, I thought it would be easier to do the white lines first. So in this case, it's a lot of overlapping lines on the bottom. And then I did the black line over the top. Once I'm done with all the patterns, I'm applying a top coat to all of my nails. And for Joey's nail look, the nail artist used a matte top coat, so here I'm applying a matte top coat to all of my nails. And my favorite part is watching it dry down matte, so that's why I included that in this video. So there you have this really cool and fun geometric abstract nail art. Again, please check out the link in the description below for the Instagram of the original nail artist of this. And if you want to see more photos of my nails, you can click here or the link in the description to read more on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.